All right, can you go ahead and give me a thumbs up and also leave a comment below in the comment section? Today I'm in a 2018 Ford F-150 and I'm going to go over the climate controls in this vehicle for you, okay? All right, so let's start off by going to the left right here. This knob right here controls the fan speed. As you can see, it's on low right here, all right? If I turn to the right like this, it goes all the way to high, and so the fan speed is on high. Let's turn it back down to low. All right, now we're gonna move to the right. Do you see this button right here? This button right here is for the power. You can power everything on by pressing it, power it off just like that by pressing it off. I'm gonna turn it back on so we can continue. All right, next I'm gonna go right here. This is for the defroster of the windshield. I can press that and it's gonna defrost the windshield. Okay, this button right here is for the recirculation button, okay? That recirculates the air within the vehicle, all right? Now, this right here controls the air to blow at your face, okay? Blow to your face, turn that off. This right here determines blow at your feet, turn that off, turn it back on, all right? And we're gonna move over right here. This is the AC button. You can press that in order to get the coldest air out of your vehicle. It turns on the air conditioning, all right? But when you do that, you wanna make sure that your temperature is all the way into the blue. You see right there, the blue is for the cool, right? Make sure that's all the way over there. That's cold, okay? And if I turn it, the knob just like that, it can turn on to max AC. Watch that. Do you see that? It went on to max AC. Do it like that, it turns it off, okay? Now, to turn on the heat, all right, I'm just gonna go back over here, make sure I turn this off, and then I go all the way over here. Now, there's a max windshield defroster, and that's this right here. Once it's already all the way on hot, I can go like that. It blows really hard on the windshield just like that. And that's how you control the climate control center in the 2018 Ford F-150.